Hey guys, how's everyone doing out there? So today I want to show you a neat feature and that Honda has built into these cars that'll help you from being stranded. I know the Accord did the same thing. I'm pretty sure all their cars will. But it's a neat little trick if you didn't know about it. Okay, so say you have your key fob here, and this one's a smart key. Okay, so say the battery dies and someone's gonna wonder, well, what happens? It doesn't work. Like the little buttons on there doesn't work to unlock it, anything like that. If your battery dies, then are you stuck out? You can't get in your car? Well, I want to show you something. I'm sure some of you already know this. And also, it's a push button, so you can't put the key in. So what happens? So I'm going to take the battery out, and I'll show you to kind of replicate if the battery was dead in it. What would happen? Will you be stranded? Okay? So these are easy to pop open. They just pop open from the middle. So you got the key in the bottom, and it just comes apart like that. So I'll take the battery out. It's a little hard with one hand here. Let me do it with two hands. Okay, so the battery just pops out. Okay. Now you have the remote. I'll just put this back together momentarily without the battery in it so you can see to demonstrate if the battery is dead in it. So there's the battery. I'll set up here. Okay. So say your battery died on you. You never replaced it. Well, to get in the car, if it's locked, like there's a key switch here that you use this key. It's keyed to your car when you buy it and unlocks the car. Okay, just like the old fashioned, just turn it and unlocks the car. It's very easy. Okay. So now that you're in your car, what happens? Well, Honda thought of that as well. So you got the battery there. So the battery is not in the key fob. So key fob demonstrating that it died. Okay, you push this. Of course, it's going to say the key's not near. Okay, but what Honda did, they made it so these remotes hold a little bit of juice when they die like that. So see, nothing happens here. But when you put the fob right onto this button, the push button, just use it to push the button. I just use the corner and push in. It'll turn the car on. Check that out. Just by using the fob to push the button in. Like I said, there's a sensor in it, so it knows that it's being pushed, and it has enough juice in the key fob to do this. So see, the engine started on, no battery in the fob. So it's a nice little design. Like I said, it won't do it forever. So definitely, if you're in the situation, it'll get you where you need to go, but definitely buy a new battery to swap in there, because eventually if you keep trying that, it's not going to work at all. But it's a nice thing that Honda's done, so you won't be stranded. You can get in your car, and you can start your car to get to where you need to go with no battery in it. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys knew that, but I wanted to share that with you guys just in case it happens. If your battery dies, you're not out of luck. You can still drive your car with no battery inside your key fob, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good out there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, everybody.